Have you ever dreamed of having a world-class rod built from exotic, handcrafted materials and the finest workmanship just for you? Welcome to Bakkan Fishing. At Bakkan Fishing, we take pride in creating the best custom fishing rods on the market. Our team believes that every passionate fisherman deserves the most fine-tuned, top-notch rod that is as unique as you are, and we are dedicated to creating that for you. Our team at Bakkan Fishing doesn't rely just on the materials that are offered everywhere on the market. Instead, we have expert craftsmen that create completely customized parts for each rod, including grips turned from the exotic wood of your choice and engraved with your name. We use rod blanks, reel seats, and guides from all the biggest name brands and factories. And each rod is given a beautiful thread wrap with the colors of your choice, and then coated in the highest quality epoxy to protect it from all types of weather and UV rays. The end results are rods that are second to none in performance and design. We even back them with a limited lifetime warranty on both parts and labor, meaning that you are guaranteed to get a rod that is not defective and is built by professionals. Do you have a favorite rod already, but would like it customized? Send it in, and we can update any rod the way you want it. We can even upgrade your guides or grips, or just give it an extraordinary thread wrap and laser engraving to make it your own. The possibilities are endless. Visit our website at www.bakkanfishing.com to design your rod today. You dream it, we'll build it. It's that simple. Fish your style.